Ward's Toys here, y'all. It's another opening. They're gonna be opening up Magic the Gathering Edge of Eternities. Let's see what we get, y'all. Yeah, let's see what we get. Let's see. Like I said, I don't know too much about these right here. So I don't know what's good or what's not. So if I miss anything good, just let me know in the comments. Since I am trying to learn. These are some cool looking cards though. I like that one. Here goes the double-sider. Yeah, they're out, y'all. Well, y'all, I don't know if I got anything good or not. We'll see, though. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, please. Ward's Toys out of here.